Simplify this expression. 3a minus 2 divided by 4 plus 2a. Solution. We have 3a minus 2 divided by 4 plus 2a. We can write 2a as a fraction. That is, 2a can be written as 2a over what? 1. Because 2a divided by 1 will give you 2a. Now, denominator of the first algebraic fraction is 4, while the denominator of the second algebraic fraction is 1. So the LCM of 4 and 1. When you are looking for the LCM of numbers like this, once you have 1 as one of the number that you want to find the LCM, and the other number is not 1, it means the LCM is just the product of the denominator. You can see now we're having 1 here, we're having 4. So the LCM will just be 4 times 1, because one of the number is 1. One of the numbers is 1. So if one of the numbers is 1, just find the product of the LCM. The product of the two numbers, rather, to get the LCM. So in that case, what do we have? 4 times 1, we have 4. That is the LCM of the denominators. So this is 4. Now, 4 here, 4 divided by this 4. That is this 4 divided by this 4. What do we have? 1. So we have 1 into bracket 3a minus 2 plus, now this 4 divided by 1. What are we having? That is 4. So we have 4 into bracket 2a. So in this case, the next thing for us to do is to expand the brackets at the denominator rather. Expand the bracket at the numerators. So in that case, 1 times 3a, what do we have? 3a. 1 times minus 2, we have what? Minus 2. Plus 4 times 2a. What do we have? 8a. Divided by 4. So the next thing for us to do is to collect the like terms. Collect the like terms. The one that look alike, you bring them together. That's the meaning of collecting like terms. So we have 3a plus what? 8a. This one will bring it with this one. So we have 3a plus 8a. Then we now have minus 2 divided by 4. So in this case, what do we have? 3a plus 8a. What are we having? That is 11a. Then we have 11a minus 2 divided by 4. You cannot add these two because they are unlike time. You cannot add or subtract them because they are unlike time. So 11a minus 2 is still 11a minus 2. So therefore the answer is 11a minus 2 divided by 4. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.